Personal finance and money management are very important part of our life, but it's never been taught to us. It's never been part of our school college curriculum. That's why every day the millions of people in India they end up making a lot of financial mistake. They will fall into debt trap which will spoil their entire financial life. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome to my personal finance academy. Friends, if you're a working profession, if you're a housewife, if you're a retired person, whatever may be, money management is very important part of our life. Once we started to work, we don't know what to do with the money. We don't know where to invest our money. We don't know how to compound our money. Some people mix insurance and investment. Some people they are earning good amount of money. They are earning 1 lakh, 2 lakh per month. Even though they are living on a paycheck to paycheck, they are not able to save money. Friends, even have faced the same problem. When I started to work, I wanted to invest my money. I wanted to grow my money. But I didn't have any idea where to invest, when to invest, how to invest. No one was there to guide me. That's why I have done a lot of financial mistake. In the early stage, I lost some money in stock market. Later, I have decided to learn everything about money management and investment. I read a lot of books about investment. I read about Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Peter Lynch, Benjamin Graham. Good books and practical experience which has given a good shape to my financial journey. Friends, if you want to learn more about investment from the scratch, I have created a course for you which covers what is stock market, how it works, how to select right stock, how to identify the multi-bagger stocks, how to create a balanced portfolio, what is mutual fund, how it works, what is SIP, how to create wealth in SIP and many more. You can check the details at below. Friends, if you're a working profession, if you don't have enough time to research the right stock, then investing into the mutual fund is one of the best option. Mutual funds are managed by the professional fund managers. They will be having 10-15 years of experience in the industry. They will be having a team. They can track every stock, they can track every market. Automatically, they will add value to our portfolio. Friends, if you're a working profession, if you want to learn more about mutual fund, I have created a course for you which covers what is mutual fund, how mutual fund really works, how to select right mutual fund, active versus passive mutual fund, how power of compounding will work in mutual fund, how to achieve our financial goal using mutual fund and many more. Friends, when it comes to stock market, we have two options. The first one is investment. Investment is a long-term game. The second one is trading. Trading is a short-term game. But trading is not easy as we think. If you want to become a trader, you have to be very good in technical analysis. Then only you can become a trader. Friends, if you want to learn more about trading, you can explore my online course, which covers what is candle, various types of candle, how candle really works, what is support zone, what is resistance zone, what is demand zone, what is supply zone, when to take entry, when to take exit, what is option selling strategy and many more. Friends, if you want to learn more about these courses, you can register now. They are the recorded course. Along with that, every week you will be having a Q&A session in Zoom. Friends, if you are ready to learn, then only you can earn. Learning is the biggest earning in stock market. When you learn, then only you can achieve the financial freedom, then only you can create wealth in long term.